welcome to the Hall of Fame success story from the IGLA, that is International Growth Leadership Academy, where we groom and transform the mid-career leaders and make them the growth leaders. So we have another successful story we want to share with you. The IGLA mentee has achieved 106% salary hike and an AVP position in a very, very short time. So welcome to the Hall of Fame and many, many congratulations on your success.
Thank you, Mr. Rakesh, sir. How are you?
Yes, good. Thank you. And help us understand everybody who is achieving success have a common factors in the IGLA per se. And I'm sure you must be having some common pattern as well. But before we reach there, can I understand what is the reason why did you join the Career Acceleration Mastery in the first place?
So, when I come across the first session which I've heard in Facebook, I thought through this normal process, applying in various job portal, that will not going to help because I've seen it for last couple of years and it will not give a significant boost to my career. And once I heard your session and first session which I've joined, it give immediately give me a kick. Like I think I should go for this program, and which is a kind of a systematic approach to not only for particular. It's a kind of not for only job hunting platform, but it will help us to shape our career at a longer run. So that thing which strike me most, and I think through the systematic way, even from the resume building, searching for the job, even uh, the kind of groups and clubs which we have created, accountability partners, and separate group have been created depending on the different sector wise segment areas. So that have really helped us to build a community across that, and everybody in the team have helped me to grow as such. And weekly session from you, that was really informative, and it keep us updated on weekly basis what's running in the industry and how we should be cope up on that. So that over a period of time really help me, because before this interview I've reached I was in 7 to 8 interviews. I've reached till final round and could not clear that. But and yeah, and sometimes the negotiation part I was not very comfortable that. But that particular section, and I had a couple of calls with you as well, and you guided me during that particular juncture as well, and that was really helped me to gain some confidence and ask for the decent hike. So yeah, that really helped me. So my urge will be those who are having experience and stuck in their career should continue with this program and just yield the results as
Excellent. Thank you very much. So it was an intention and a purpose by which we have created this community, right? Now, currently, we are sitting on almost 2,500 professionals in the mid-career, availing this systematic approach to their career, to build their career rather than searching for the job, like you mentioned. So, what in particular in the career acceleration mastery that has helped you? What are the top three things that comes to your mind, which has really, really helped you to get the success of, let's say, 106% high?
well. I think now, if you see, like the course is, it's not like a customized course, I can say. No, it's not a generalized course as say. It can be more customized. If you use this effectively, it is most customized course which you can do. So, like most of the courses which I have come across earlier, that's kind of a tick box doing activity. But here it's more of live interaction with the people, with the community, and uh, through this accountability partner, we share a kind of bond with the other people who belong to same industry. We have same pain areas, and we can share, and they can give, because most of the experienced professional who are there, they are also taking the interview. They know what where people went wrong and what are the kind of expectations or uh, skill set they try to achieve in this society. So I think the first is this network of people, the community which have been created, that has really helped us in order to grow in our career. So that is one of the most important thing. Second is this like it's not like a common job search. It's a kind of very specialized. Like you need to understand your skill set. You need to focus on them, and then you need to apply on that particular. I mean, to identify your company's target segment or like target area, and then apply for it rather than bulk application. It should be like a very specific, customized search. It narrow down to very specific search as such. And third is which work for me is the negotiation part, which help you to like once you have that kind of offer in hand, to ask more like to bring you at a certain platform where you should be fit into the industry. Because I can understand most of the people who are very much experienced, but over a period of time when they spend a decent amount of time in company, because of this normalized hike, you don't uh, like at after a certain time you realize that you are not up to the market standard, your salary is being below, your peers are earning more. So that kind of thing, negotiation, all those things really helped me to grow ahead and grab such an offer.
Excellent. Thank you very much for sharing this, because most of the people do not value this. And understandably, they feel that I know it all because I've got a certain level of experience, knowledge, skill, talent, and everything. Now, the unfortunate part of this is uh, in that flow that we are in the corporate world, we forget that we are not actually investing in our own part. That is, we are forgetting that what we are doing, we are going in the flow. So the normal uh, tradition or the customized solution that we have is apply for the job, get the 30% hike, and the life is cool. And that's the way people are living right now. Now, you have touched a very good point in creating the community and the negotiation part and the this element. So, how has been your experience in this journey? You as a person, has it actually helped you as a person? And what would you say to the people who are looking for or who are stuck but still don't want to take any help? So, what is your message for them?
I think you should go for this specialized program and join that, but ultimately you need to work on your skills and your thing. Like nobody can give you this cake. It's not an easy cake work for it. Even after joining the program and this thing, you need to follow those basic steps. But ultimately, the homework need to be done by yourself. It's not like you can help any individual to bring God can give your food, but you need to bring it to your own nest. So that's the
Absolutely.
method we should be following. So yeah, and one aspect I forgot to mention in my statement, previous statement, that uh, from in this Telegram group which you have created, a lot of people are sharing their employee, like whatever the job openings are there in their company.
Yes.
So they are sharing that information. So at times when you look for the job search, at actually very little portion of job is being visible. It's a kind of pick of iceberg, you can say. So through this mode, this community, people are sharing their. So it's a two-way benefit. Like the people are getting different kind of job opportunities there in their specific area. Along with that, if some candidate is able to crack that interview, the person who share he will entitled to the employer referral. So that's a kind of a win-win situation for both the parties, and that will create a good kind of a job network across this. So I think that will really help. I think you should certainly go for this program and work on your skills as well, which will help you to grow at a longer run. And thanks for this program, Mr. Rakesh. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. I think I know that you're traveling and still you have taken the time out to probably have this successful success story come out and inspire other people as well. So, if you are one of the mid level professionals having 10 plus years of experience and you want to transform your career rather than searching a job every now and then do reach out to us on the rakesh.cc/masterclass and you register for my free session so that you understand how you can transform your career as well and achieve the success like my mentees are achieving at 100% plus hike, even at the mid level with the 15, 20 years of experience as well. So look forward to see you in the next masterclass, in the next success story and the Hall of Fame success story of the people. We have a lot of people lined up now, and we look forward to have more inspiration coming to you. If you have still not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the success story in your inbox. Till the time we meet next time, thank you very much and God bless everyone.
Thank you.